So to create a Wowcher account, you have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and open up a browser. You can use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you, and type in wowcher.co.uk. That is going to take you to the official page, which is gonna look something like this. So in order to register or create an account, click on the profile icon from the top right hand side. That is going to take you to this field, which is going to look something like this. So here you need to go ahead and make sure to verify that you're human and all that. Just go ahead and fill out the CAPTCHA and all that. And to register, go ahead and click on register here from the top right hand side, and go ahead and enter in all of these information that has been asked. And when you're done entering the information, next interface you'll be asked to create a password, and as you're done creating your password, that's going to take you to the home page indicating that you've successfully created your Wowcher account. So that is how you can go ahead and create your account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.